watch in effect from Monday morning through Tuesday morning. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where portions of North Carolina, including the following areas: Alexander, Avery, Burke, Caldwell, McDowell, Polk, Rutherford, Henderson, Mitchell, Jackson, Transylvania, and Yancey, and upstate South Carolina, including the following areas: Greenville Mountains and Pickens Mountains. When? From Monday morning through Tuesday morning. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: a slow-moving storm system is expected to bring multiple rounds of showers and storms on Monday and Monday night. Runoff from the moderate to heavy rainfall will likely cause flooding. The heaviest rainfall and greatest risk for flash flooding is expected along the Blue Ridge Escarpment and the southern and eastern-facing slopes of the mountains in western North Carolina. Rainfall totals on 3 to 5 inches, with isolated amounts between 6 and 8 inches are possible in these areas. This will not be anywhere near the magnitude of flooding that occurred during Helene. A flood watch for flash flooding means there is a potential for rapid onset flooding based on current forecasts. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation and may impact areas that do not typically flood. Please monitor the latest forecast and be prepared to take action quickly should flash flood warnings be issued. Rainfall of more than 5 inches in similar storms has been associated with an increased risk of landslides and rock slides. If you live on a mountainside or in a cove at the base of a mountain, especially near a stream, be ready to leave in advance of the storm or as quickly as possible should rising water, moving earth, or rocks threaten. Consider postponing travel along mountain roads during periods of heavy rainfall. These are the 2 p.m.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for central Abbeville County and upstate South Carolina until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles west of Abbeville, or 5 miles north of Calhoun Falls, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Abbeville County, including the following locations: Andersville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSTSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Abbeville, South Carolina.
Impacts: flooding along the Watauga River and its tributaries is imminent or occurring. Low water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable, especially Shoals Mill Road near Fosco, and DeWitt Barnett Road and Watauga River Road near Sugar Grove. Additional details: at 7:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. More rain is expected, with 1 to 2 additional inches possible through midnight. This includes the following streams and drainages: Laurel Creek, Laurel Fork, Beach Creek, Valley Creek, Grassy Gap Creek, Spice Bottom Creek, Dutch Creek, Watauga River, Brushy Fork, George Gap Ranch, Beaver Dam Creek, Pond Creek, Cove Creek, and Crabbercard Creek. Some locations that will experience flooding include Blowing Rock, Beach Mountain, Fosco, Seven Devils, Valley Crucis, Rominger and Moses Cone Memorial Park. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ flood turnaround, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of flooding, including mudslides or flooded roads, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4...
Flood warning in effect until 7:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. What minor to moderate flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of western North Carolina, including the following counties: Avery, Burke, Caldwell, and McDowell. When? Until 7:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. Impacts. Common. Deeper flooding of low-lying areas adjacent to area streams is developing with lesser impacts to vulnerable property. Expect extensive flooding of farmland, parks, greenways, boat access areas, and golf courses. Inundation may be several feet deep. Other flood-prone areas will be impacted, including low-lying roadways, low-water crossings, underpasses, and parking lots. Several low-water crossings, roads, and bridges may be flooded and impassable, with deeper flows over roadways possible. Additional details at 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated moderate to heavy rainfall have redeveloped over the northern North Carolina Blue Ridge Escarpment, with another 0.50 inches to 1.5 inches falling over the past 1 to 2 hours. Storm total rainfall since early Monday morning is exceeding 3 to 5 inches across the warning area. Isolated totals of over 6 inches are being observed, including near Sugar Mountain, Linville Falls, and Jonas Ridge. Resultant excessive runoff is causing several areas of nuisance to minor flooding across the warning area, including along the Linville River near Linville, Pine-Ola, and Cross North, the North Toe River near Newland, Elk River near Van Rail, and Wilson Creek from Edgemont to Anatole Road. Steady rises along these and other streams, including Warrior Fork in northwestern Burke County, North Fork Catawba River in northeastern McDowell County, and Johns River in western Caldwell County and northern Burke County, will continue well into the late evening and early overnight hours. As a result, additional areas of now National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Elbert County in northeastern Georgia, southwestern Abbeville County in upstate South Carolina until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is developing over Calhoun Falls and is likely to worsen as additional rounds of heavy rainfall are imminent. Additional areas of flash flooding across southwestern Abbeville County and southeastern Elbert County are expected to develop over the next 1 to 2 hours. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Calhoun Falls, Lonesville, Russell State Park, Bobby Brown State Park, Middleton, Nancy Hart State Park, Anterville, Rice Town, and Fortsonia. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Abbeville County in upstate South Carolina, western Greenwood County in upstate South Carolina, until 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated trailing thunderstorms have been producing heavy rain across eastern Abbeville and western Greenwood counties. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen over the past 90 minutes, including over the cities of Abbeville and Greenwood. An additional 1 to 2 inches of rainfall is expected across the Warren area, resulting in significant flash flooding. Several small streams are expected to quickly rise out of their banks and will be capable of producing minor to moderate flash flooding across the Warren area, especially over the urban areas of Abbeville and Greenwood. Dangerous flash flooding of roadways and structures adjacent to streams may occur. Inundation of low-lying areas, including parks, greenways, and campgrounds may reach several feet deep. It's higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Flooding may significantly inundate roadways and impact structures. Low-level first-floor elevations adjacent to streams may be flooded. Some locations that will experience minor to moderate flash flooding include Greenwood, Abbeville, West Shoals, Crocus Ferry, Hodges, Troy, Thomas Land, Bradley, and Coronata. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. And especially conscious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.